Welcome, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's happening. Today, we're getting ready to record a podcast. It's November, so it started to get pretty cold, and we're doing a lot of winterizing and prepping for cold season. So, just picked up this new waste oil heater right here, which we're gonna put together today. I have one in the back that's an old one, but it's not really working too good, so I figure I can buy something newer. What else we got? Nothing really is happening at this moment. That's worth mentioning. We have a couple projects. Here's the heater. This guy here is transmission. Simple stuff we ordered right here. One of our suppliers. Pretty quick turnaround. We took it out yesterday morning. Called them, brought it immediately to our shop, and so very good company. We can take our core. They gave us a new trans, so we can put it in at a really good price. And so that's that. We pulled out customer work that was all. What do we have? I'm trying to think about something interesting. We had some emission problems that we'll talk about in the podcast, but definitely I would say. Make sure you take a mechanic with you if you're buying a truck, or if they have a computer, or ask for a printout from the computer. ECM readouts, definitely very important. I'm not sure if I probably talked about it before, but definitely one of our customers could have benefited from checking the history and just the codes and understanding what was on the truck, because as it turned out, it's going to be an expensive bill for him. We'll talk about it on the podcast though. So other than that, the Yellowbird still just don't have time to finish it, and we're landed a couple customers with multiple units, so that's taking our attention. We are adding some more mechanics to the team, so that's good. But other than that, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll talk to you soon.